Class 2 Subject English Lesson 2.4 Story Time Unity is Strength. Children, I will explain you the lesson. Once lived a old man with his 4 sons. The old man was worried because his sons were quarreling. Quarreling means fighting. They would never agree on any point. The old man was tired of telling his sons they would fight for everything. One day he called his 4 sons and gave them a bundle of sticks. First he gave the elder son to break the bundle. The elder son put his force to break the bundle, but the bundle did not break. So he gave up. In this way all tried hard, but they could not succeed. Their father smiled and told them to untie. Untie means open the bundle, and gave it to the 4 sons. The stick was easily broken. He said to them they should remain united and live together. No enemy will harm them. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be weak, like the single stick. So all the 4 sons learned the lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team and they lived happily. Children, moral of the story is united we stand, divided we fall. Thank you, children.